guys, this is Kim in Ohio, and today I just want to share with you on how to transfer playlist videos into your watch later, because there are some people who doesn't know how to do it, because we have the new YouTube studio now. Like before they said it's classic. So as you can see, it's no videos in this playlist yet. So we want to add videos on my watch later. So we need to search a certain name, like for example, let's just search some of my friend Christine. And then let's check her playlist. So let's say for example this one. So click the view playlist, and then as you can see on the upper part there is a link. So you need to add a certain words on that one. So add the word, the sign and then disable underscore polymer equals 1. So that's the exact word, letter or symbol sign that you're gonna add on the end part of the link. That one. And disable underscore polymer equals 1. And then enter. So here you go. On the right side, you can see these 3 dots. So press that one, and then add all to, click that one, and then you can see the option watch later. Watch later. So check your watch later now. There you go. See? As easy as that. So we are now in my watch later list, and these are the videos from my playlist. So that's it. And if you're using a mobile phone, all you need to do is go to Chrome and then that desktop mode. So it will appear like this. Just add the and disable underscore polymer equals 1. That's the exact thing that you need to add on that playlist link. So that's it, guys, and thank you.